Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of block 25, which is time on a clock. Yes. So, in this, we have estimated the time. That means which activity takes how much time we have learned in the first topic. And in the second topic, we have learned how to draw the time for the given and how to read the time. How to read the time, how to tell the time, how to draw the time, we have learned. Yes. So in the third topic we are going to learn half and quarter hour. Okay, half and quarter hour. Let's see. So yesterday we have learned about two hands, that the shorter hand, that small hand, and the longer hand, that is the big hand, we have learned. So we have also learned that short hand, when it is pointing to any number, for example, if it is pointing to 5, that means 5 o'clock, and the longer hand will be pointing to 12, which means 5 o'clock. Isn't it, children? But it is not. If you look at the clock, you don't see always the longer hand pointing to 12, isn't it? Sometimes it will be pointing to 3, sometimes it will be pointing to 9, sometimes it points to 6, sometimes it points to 2. It changes, it rotates, isn't it? The longer hand, the shorter hand also rotates. Yes, the short hand will be sometimes on 8, sometimes on 10, sometimes, so it rotates. Longer hand also rotates, short hand also rotates. But when the short hand rotates, you have learned that it is 8 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock, isn't it? But we did not learn about the longer hand. So when the longer hand is on 12, then it is 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock or 8 o'clock, whatever, depending upon the short hand. But if the longer hand is pointing to 1 or 2 or 3, any number, that we will learn today. Okay, so children, yesterday we have learned that in between between the numbers, you have four small lines, isn't it, children? Four small lines you have. Yes, so those are the minutes. Okay, so here it is o'clock, 5 o'clock, 3 o'clock, when the longer hand is on 12. If it is here beside 12, the small line, then it is 1 minute. 5 o'clock and 1 minute. If it is on the second line, then it is 5 o'clock, 5 2. That means 5 and 2 minutes. Hours is 5, minutes is 2. If it is on 1, then it becomes 5 minutes, because you have 4 minutes here, isn't it? So 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this becomes your 5 minutes. In the same way, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 2 becomes 10. Okay, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 3 becomes 15. In that way, you can calculate the hours. Okay, so if it is 15 minutes, then that becomes quarter hour. 15 minutes, 6. Think that the smaller hand is on 6 and the longer hand is on 3. Then the time becomes 6:15. Okay, so this 15 minutes from 12 to 3, these 15 minutes are called as quarter hour. 15 minutes is called as quarter hour. And if it is 30 minutes, that means the short hand is at 8, suppose, and the longer hand is on 6. That means 30 minutes, that is 8:30. Why it is 30? If you count, children, so this becomes your 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and this becomes your 30. So 30 minutes. So 30 minutes have finished. After 8 o'clock, 30 minutes have finished. That's why it is called as half hour, half an hour. Okay, half an hour, or it is 30 minutes. Okay, for example, if it is short hand is on 3 and the longer hand is on 9, okay, then that means it is quarter to 3. Okay, so when actually it becomes 2 and 9, so that becomes quarter to 3, but actually the shorthand will not be here, it will be very nearer to 3. That means in 15 minutes it becomes 3, quarter to 3, quarter minutes to become 3, quarter to 3, in that way. That is, half an hour is nothing but 30 minutes, and quarter hour is nothing but 15 minutes. And how do you remember? Here you can see 1 2 3, so you can easily say the hours for shorthand. For longhand you can remember as 5 table. Okay, when it is on 1 it is 5 minutes, when it is on 2 it is 5 2s are 10, and if it is on 3, 5 3s are 15. So if you remember that, that will be easy. 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55, and here it becomes 0 again. Okay, if you count the middle small lines, you will get these numbers only. So instead of counting every time, you can simply remember the 5 table. Okay, when the longer hand is on 4, then it is 20 minutes. When the longer hand is on 8, it is 40 minutes. When the longer hand is on 10, it means it's 50 minutes. So in that way you can remember, children. Okay, now let's see the sums in this. Write the given time in 2 ways. So they have given some clocks, so we have to write the time. So the first one, the short hand is in between 4 and 5. That means you have to take as 4 only. When it is between 4 and 5, you have to take 4 only. So 4, and it is on 6. 5 6 are 30, right? So 30 minutes. 4:30 or half past 4. That means half an hour finished. 30 minutes finished after 4. So half past 4. Okay. Next, if you see, the shorter hand is on 9 and the longer hand is on 3. That is 9. Longer hand is on 3. The 5 3s are 15. That means 9:15. So you will write 9:15, or 15 minutes means how much? Quarter, isn't it? So quarter past 9. Okay, children. In this way, you need to write 2 ways of writing the time. Okay, so there are few more in your daily schedule. Please copy it down in your classwork. If you have already copied, again you do it, children. It will be helpful to learn the seconds hand in the next year. Okay, so try to do it again. Okay, next question. On which number will be the minutes hand for the given time? So here they have given the time. We have to say on which number the minutes hand will be pointing. Let's see. So this is a clock. So 5:45. So 5 means the shorthand will be on 5. 45 means 45. In which, in 5 table, where you will get 45? 5 9s are 45. So the longer hand will be on 9. So you can simply write the answer as 9. Okay, next 1:15. 1:15 means the short hand will be on 1. 15. So where you will get 15 in 5 table? 5 3s are 15. So the longer hand will be on 3. So you will write 3. Okay, next 3 o'clock. So 3 o'clock you already know. The longer hand will be on 12. So you will write 12. Okay, 6:30. 6:30 means the short hand will be on 6. 30, that means 30 minutes. So in 5 table, where you will get 36. So the longer hand will be on 6. So in that way you can write it down. Okay, so try to do it in your classwork, children. If you have completed also, again you do it, it will be practice for you. Okay, so write these in your classwork. And coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 3, page number 47, S3, half and quarter hour. Okay, so if you have already completed, leave it, children. If you're not, please do it now. Okay, so in the next class we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.